Welcome guys, today I'm gonna unbox the G703 from Logitech. It features the Hero 16K gaming sensor, Lightspeed wireless technology. It's ergonomically designed for comfort. It also features the light sync, so you can customize your RGB. Let's see what's inside the box. So opening the box gives us some stickers, manual, also the mouse itself, the cable for charging the wireless mouse, and then extra 10-gram weight that you can put inside here if you want heavier mouse, and then adapter for the wireless receiver. And that's it. That's my unboxing of the G703 from Logitech. See you guys in the next video.